All right, so what are you building here? Looks like an ark. You building an ark?
We're building a raft to haul the car.
You know why?
We're going to float it down the Arkansas River.
And then onto the Pacific? You know where this one goes?
Specifically.
This one is going to Hawaii.
Wow.
Ooh, well, I don't know what that costs, but make sure it floats good.
I like Hawaii. They got lay there.
Okay, we got a top. You gonna paint the top today?
Well, you know, we're going to look at it.
I already looked at it. You looked at it. Now we're gonna paint it?
I got some blue. I got some silver on a couple little bad spots there. Yes, sir. We're going to paint it.
Awesome.
I got a gallon can coming so we can get some color mixed up. And,
All right, so the car, formerly known as Twetty.
better known as Dream Tea.
Dream Tea. Eddie's working on the top. Let's just see what Eddie's doing while you build the ark. Oh, Josh is wrapping up some glass for the Warriors. That's quite a pack in there. Uh-oh, you're running away. I just showed the top. Dave said he's going to have it painted. I see you got quite a design going on.
Yep. Can't see it till I'm done.
Oh, no, okay.
Go
Then.
away.
Yeah, he sent me away. We can't see it. No, we can look at it. Alan is like, he's pretty stoked. Alan's pretty stoked.
Yeah.
So the glass will go in between there.
Yeah.
Oh, you got it marked out.
Yeah. And see, it'll wrap around the
Like
back
one
like
of the
that.
patterns.
Yeah.
It'll wrap around like that, yeah.
Yeah.
So a few lines in there.
See
And
what
this
I
will be
do,
the
I
top.
Stitch them in and then I tie them on the back side and then I glue them so it don't come back out. And these little lines.
Uh-huh. Is that black on the back? Is that your, what do they call it?
Just marker.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. Where I marked it out.
Well, there's two threads in there, right? A bobbin?
Yeah, bobbin at the bottom, yeah. So you just tie them all together. You pull it through and tie them together. And,
I'm not sure how that works. I
And
guess
then it
one
don't
goes
grab 'em
in
back
and the other
out.
one grabs it. And
yeah.
it's your,
Well, you know, your machine goes down and then it's got a wheel that comes around and grabs that one and loops it. You know?
complicated.
Yeah.
But anyway, you got to tie it together and don't come apart.
Right.
Something you might want to know if you're going to do upholstery work. So we're going to figure out how to put these in here somehow.
I ain't got that far yet.
Haven't got that far yet.
Yeah.
But somehow these are going to go in there.
I kind of got an idea, but I'm not sure yet, so, yeah.
All right, well, the boys are building an ark over there.
Doing the what?
Building an ark, getting ready to float some 32 over to Hawaii.
Oh, okay. Okay.
So I just had to cut some glass.
Yeah.
Josh was stressed out. We were missing a back glass. I can imagine what it cost to ship a back glass. It's all better. Okay. The crisis was averted.
Yeah, Chicken Little was running around.
Yeah. Okay, well, I bet everybody's anxious to see the top on this guy.
Yeah.
So you'll be on this
Top
one.
on Alan's car, and then we'll whoop the top to that.
I think hopefully today we're putting a Frog Poly car in the trailer and we can get focused on some of these other cars here.
You running?
Not yet, but it's like there.
Just right there.
It's there.
Cool. Cool deal.
I need to run up to the glass shop. Eric is back. Whew. He's been guiding all summer.
Yeah.
So now relieve me just a little bit.
Yeah.
So I'm heading to the glass shop.
Right.
Make sure I keep him happy.
Right.
I don't know. They got her loaded, but I don't think it's going to float. You think it's going to float?
Mix together and holler action. Yeah.
Action, yeah. All right. So
I forgot my lines.
we primed all around here.
Yeah.
And you're going to come up about here somehow with the upholstery.
Yeah,
we got
be,
panels
be
made.
flush with that.
This is going to be painted up front. So
It'll
be
be
like
covered.
a visor.
And I'll roll it over down inside of that.
So it's all primered again for the last primer, hopefully. And
Looking beautiful.
Yeah.
Flipping it over, yeah. Let's see the flip over.
Okay. You go that way, I'll go this way.
All right, we'll go the same way. It's easier.
Okay.
All right. Blocking.
Yeah. Good. That's a ball scratch right there.
I didn't want to throw him under the bus while he was filming this, but yeah, you know.
He did it. Down behind the camera.
All right, so I'm going to go check out what you got going on.
It's a secret.
Yeah? So there's the side panel.
Anyway, this
That'll go there.
This is the whole deal that goes around the back of the top.
And then the opening will be for the window right around in there.
Right there.
Got that up there.
And the way I built this is going to countersink down in here.
Yeah, we'll definitely countersink it. You can kind of see all that.
Yeah.
Yeah, that'll look good. That's
Yeah.
gonna look really good.
Yeah, see, I've got it cut out on the back side,
Uh-huh.
and then I'll slop this and glue it down inside of there, and then this will go.
Man, it's like you're a professional.
Well, you know,
So you got a plan yet for the top, the middle
not
part?
really. I'm working on it.
Well, this isn't the top. That's just
No, that's part
the
of it.
little angle top, and then the big long top. Are you
Yeah,
gonna put
see,
things in
I
there
gotta
too,
sew
or?
it together because there's an angle in it. And,
Uh-huh.
this will be the back behind your head
It'll
part of
be
the top.
coming off of this part,
Yeah, it'll be.
and then the other one will come out that way.
It'll be right about there.
Yep. All right, so I guess we have to wait another day to see what these are gonna look like.
Yeah, I'm kind of working on it. Trying to get it designed, you know.
Are you making a?
Just kind of marking it out. I plan on having 3 pieces of that aluminum in this.
Uh-huh.
And what I want to do, I'm going to, you know, we got the motor, we got a piece on the breather,
Right.
we got a piece, 2 pieces on each valve cover. And what I want to do is try to measure them out. Will it be like this? So you look at the front of the car and you just,
Oh, that'd be good.
Yeah.
Yeah, because the top
I
will
mean,
be
it
up.
ain't the same pieces of aluminum, but still,
It'll
if they
still look
lined
like
up,
that.
that'd look pretty cool.
And then you got them in the floor pads.
Yeah, there's 3 in
three
the floor
there.
pads. Yeah, and then there's 3 across here.
Where else did you have?
Okay.
In the door panels too?
Yeah, door panels too. Remember I got it coming down the center in there.
I don't remember. I haven't looked at it for 10 minutes or so.
Oh, I know it.
All right, so it's getting there,
Yep.
and we will see. We will see if Dave has it painted today. What do you
Oh,
think?
okay. But then I figured out how to attach them to this.
Oh, pretty clever.
Yep.
So you don't have to put the backing on it. You just
Just use them.
use our grill shell piece.
And then, you know, I'll have to drill them and then just put the screws through here and see it'll suck it
Yep.
in from the other side. Yeah.
Wow, that's a good idea.
Hate to waste a bunch of those, but that's the best idea I could come up with. I started to put the panel board, but I think it's kind of, you know, in between each screw it kind
Yeah,
of bridge,
it's-
you know.
Well, it's not wasting them, Alan. You're just buying a bunch of grill pieces.
There you
Bunch
go.
of three, 23
Well,
grill
there'll be
pieces.
6 of them.
Oh, 6 of them. Uh-oh. Oh, you're going to put them on the other?
I'm going to run it on back.
Okay.
Yeah.
All the way down. That'll look
see,
good, though.
I've got to sew that piece to the back of this,
Uh-huh.
and so it'll come all the way back. And not all the way back, but I'm going to space it. But
Man, you outdo yourself every time you do one.
Trying to, you know, we got a design in the seat. I'll probably go across here, sew some lines across up in here. You know, and then when I put these in here, I'll stagger them, you know.
Oh, I see. Can you see the line? So we're coming around that
Yeah.
way, maybe.
And I'll stagger them,
Uh-huh.
you know, so far, and then you'll have this little arch right here where
that'll
the
look
lines
good.
going across like the seats.
So, Alan, if you see this before he does it, you better call quick. But odds are, by the time you see this, it'll be done.
Yep.
So. All right, so what we're waiting for, Eddie has really been wanting to do a roll and tuck interior with buttons.
Who?
Yeah, I haven't done one of them for years, probably. Some old.
Several years. Yeah. But I have.
You have done them?
Yeah. I done a 67 Chevy pickup.
Really?
Diamond tuck.
Diamond tucked, huh? Oh man, well we ain't doing one.
No.
Just kidding.
Diamond.
Eddie might go. You might actually go into retirement if I get one of those in
But I
here.
used to do a lot of them. We used to do a lot of antique furniture.
Yep.
You remember them old furniture?
Yep.
Had the wood all the way around them and stuff. We used to do a bunch
Yep.
of those.
All right. Well, I'm gonna go back up to the. I'm actually wet sanding right now.
How are you? Okay.
So Eddie's gone for the day, but it looks like he has a plan. So this is the back of the top, where the glass goes right there. This will be the piece coming up from that. Side panels. Looks like he's got a design over here, and that will be sewed into the top. And it looks like, and then I would think these lines here are going to represent the chrome strips that are going to be screwed into the top. He's kind of patterning it off of the design that's already in the seats. See, I see he's got a seat here to do that. So he's gone for the weekend. I'm putting the windshield in the Frog Poly car. I've been buffing on the windshield frame. And I think that'll be it for today's video. But we will be back next week. I guess we're getting ready for tomorrow. Dave's gonna come in, hosing everything down, but getting it ready tonight. So we got Alan's top ready to paint. It's kind of late in the day to paint today. So the boys are ready to go home. I'm ready to go home. It's hot. Monday morning, Eddie should have a nice yellow top. We'll get it buffed, put the interior together, and we'll have this puppy just in time to go to Indiana.